Yeah, rap that shit. Rap it hard and never forget where you came from, cause nobody could never legit bring you down to something that was illegal, you get it? Did you get nah, this running back it. I'm running into people causing me all kinds of damage. I never cared because I'm moving the better arrangement. I never lost it. And if I did, the L on your forehead and y'all costing me money because you talk about me. Pay no attention. That's where your money should mention. Me on niggas wanna act like they really could get it. Peons, I don't even care about what you're feeling. Get on. I don't like ya. Get them out of my zone. Hey, I never had a moment to leave them boneless. I know I gotta fold them because they fold in. I don't have time to straighten them because they don't listen. Now paying attention makes me a difference. If I didn't, I would not receive a check for the mission. I don't get stimulus, niggas. Y'all don't pay for attention. Y'all pay for the mention to keep getting that bag and they choking. You get it? I don't think they will, but they gonna keep rising to it. They want that bag so bad they're gonna die for it. I don't even know what they're doing, but it ain't my problem. I keep rolling. God told me to keep walking. I got them, they're in my soul, and I cannot forget them because I know it. You know this, that I'm at that door like the final four. I know this, it's gonna be approaching, but it's not a letter, it's a barrel and it got bullets. Playing with me, my finger will pull it. Pull back and then your head go back, it really blowing.